guys, thank you for joining. Today we are going to make Parmesan wedge potatoes. Only 2 ingredients. So we have some chopped up potatoes, already washed, plain chopped, and some Parmesan cheese. So we have our heat preheated. And we are just going to go ahead and add our potatoes. And those are just going to cook for a few minutes until they are completely done. So we'll give that a few minutes to cook, and then we will top it off with our Parmesan cheese. They are cooking. These are potatoes, so it's going to take a few minutes for them to cook. Minutes, our potatoes will be done and completed. Okay, not quite done, so we definitely have to give the potatoes a few more minutes to be completed. They are browning, so they're getting there. Give it a few more minutes. let's take a look and see how they are looking now. Okay. You're almost there. We'll give them one more minute. They are getting brown, but we're going to give them another minute. We want to make sure that the potato is completely done. They're okay. Let's check it out and see how they are looking. Nice and brown. So these look good. So we'll go ahead and pull these out. They're floating to the top, and that's another way that you know that your food is completely done. When you're deep frying them, they will float to the top. Okay, these are looking good. This takes less than 10 minutes. We have made some fresh potato wedges, and we're going to top them off with some Parmesan cheese. And just like that, very quick, very simple, less than 10 minutes, we have made potato wedges, Parmesan, topped it off. Thank you for joining. I am Ms. Shen, owner of ShennerElegance.com, where we provide women wigs and beauty products. Thank you.